In this video I'll show you how to draw a door swing in plan like an architect. If you don't want to create it yourself, all of these are available at the top of the description. To begin with, we're going to need an opening for our door. Here's what I have to use as an example. It's important to ensure that the width of this opening is a brick dimension. This means that the width needs to be a multiple of 102.5. Obviously not everyone is an architect who works with these numbers day in and day out, so I've created this block right here, which makes this process so much easier. All I have to do is align my opening between the edges of the bricks. This brick template is available in the same download. We're also going to need to have a layer set up for your door. The blocks file in the description has all the layers that you could need already set up if you'd like to save time. So begin by selecting the door layer and begin by drawing a 40mm by 100mm rectangle. So use the rectangle tool, REC and spacebar, and then I'm going to tap for my first point and type in 40mm by 100 using the tab button to switch between the fields. After this, I'm going to draw in another rectangle at 8mm by 42. And we'll just use this move tool to bring this up to the top right hand side of the frame. Then, using our trim tool, we'll trim out this area we just created. And once we have this shape, highlight all of the lines and then press J and spacebar to join them together. This is one side of our door frame. And now we just need to move it to the edge of our opening. Then we're going to quickly mirror the door frame to the other side of the opening by drawing in a line from one side to the other and then another from the center. After that, we're going to use the mirror tool and use this line as our mirror line. Once you're done mirroring, we can delete these lines. So now we have a door frame on either side of the opening. All we need now is a door. Begin by using the rectangle tool and clicking this edge of the door frame and then hovering over the opposite side of the opposite side door frame. As you can see, I have an opening of 846mm to fill, so I'm going to type in 846 and then I'll press tab to access the other field, and I will set this to 40mm, which makes up the width of our door. After pressing enter, this will show the door closed at the moment. We're going to use the rotate tool with RO and then space. Grab the door, not either of the frames, and then we're going to select this base point right here and we're going to rotate it by 90 degrees. So now using the same base point with the circle tool, we're going to select here as the center and then we're going to bring it out to the edge of our door. Then using the trim tool, we're going to delete the swing that goes past the door frame and the door. And once we've trimmed either side, we can just delete the rest of it. Once done, you've finished the door swing in plan. Highlight all of its components and then use Control, Shift and C to create a block. Make sure you also select a sensible base point, as this would be where you paste the block in from. Now you can delete the door, and with Control, Shift and V, we can paste your block in place. This means whatever happens to any part of this block, it happens to all of it. We can't stretch it out of place. It just keeps things tidy. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. I've got more videos like this dropping soon. And if you want to save time on your drawings with pre-made blocks, I've put together a full pack that includes windows, doors, furniture, template elevations, utilities, layers, hatches, and more. You can get it all, just check the top of the description.